let's take a look at borders. So borders are really, really important. They are the primary way that we separate our content from other sections of content. It's how we make things stick out sometimes too. So let's go ahead and create a new div. This has a border, and let's give this a class of red border. And so let's go up here and we can select all of our divs. And when we select all of our divs, let's make sure we also select the divs that only have a red border class. Now we can give this a lot of different border values or properties. We can see there's tons of them in here, but we're really only going to be working with 3 of them. We're going to be working with border width. So border width of some value. We're going to be working with the border style of some value. And we're going to be working with the border color of some particular value. So let's say the width is going to be 5 pixels. The style, we have lots of styles to choose from. So it can be like solid, or let's see what we have here. Solid, dash, dotted, double, groove, hidden, none, outset, and ridge. Let's go with dashed. And the border color is going to be red. Or if we want to use a hex, it's F00. Let's go ahead and refresh our page, and what normally wouldn't have a border now has a border. Now this is really nice for 2 reasons. A, you now have some styling around here. Granted, this is kind of ugly styling, but we do have some styling. And the second nice thing is we can see that this border takes up all this space, so we know for a fact that this is a block element. We learned about block elements in HTML 101 as well. Now there's a shorthand way to do this. We can also say border. We can give it a width, then the style, then the color. So we can say border is 1 pixel, solid black, and because programs read things from top to bottom, it's going to say set that width, set the color, set the style. Oh, but actually, not because it's shorthand, just because we've basically rewritten this a second time down here as shorthand, it's going to accept this one. So it writes this to your page, but it's so fast, when it gets a new rule, it says, okay, overwrite that. So now when I refresh the page, this is going to have a 1 pixel border black.